Hello teachers, welcome to Apex Institute of Maths and Sciences. So myself I am Sriram from Apex. So today's video is about Junior Olympiad Foundation course. So let's know about the details of the program. So how to implement the program in the schools. That all guidelines we are going to discuss today. Okay friends, let's start the session. So actually this program is designed for mainly 1st to 5th class children. So along with the NCERT books, actually NCERT books are textbooks. Our books are Olympiad resource books. Our books are only the workbooks. So apart from the textbooks, some schools they are following our workbooks. So this is for 1st to 5th class children, both for state board or CBSE or any other board. So this program is suitable for all kinds of boards. So actually in this program, each child will be getting set of 3 books. So Junior Mathematics Olympiad Resource Book, Junior Science Olympiad Resource Book, Junior Reasoning and English Olympiad Resource Book. Reasoning and English both are combined in one book, but reasoning to be taught by separate teacher and English to be taught by separate teacher. In English, only grammatical part we have given, which will be useful for Olympiads. So like that, each child will be getting set of 3 books. So here, today's main agenda, 1 minute. So today's teacher training program, final agenda, what is the main agenda is, what is the importance of the program, how many periods you need to allot to implement the program successfully, how to teach the concepts, how to deal with the worksheets, how to give revision, how to understand or what about question patterns, what will be the question paper model and OMR sheet, model OMR sheet, about results, about error rectification notebook, about examination schedules, progress monitoring, about app installation, about video lectures, about online exams, about doubts clarification, about WhatsApp group, about stage 1, stage 2 exams and all. So we are going to discuss in detail each and every point. So first, let's start with the Junior Olympiad Foundation program importance. Actually, so why you need to implement this program? What is the importance? So already you are following so many kinds of books in your school. Along with that books, what is the need of our Junior Olympiad resource book? That is the big question. So actually, why we need to implement this program means to lay strong foundation in core subjects. As you know, everybody, as you know all, maths and science, these subjects are very, very important in the future of any student. So apart from this reasoning also very, very important. So what is our main intention means, we want to give strong foundation in maths, science, reasoning and English, so that after going to higher classes, while writing any competitive exam, they can face that exam easily. That is our main intention. So actually, this resource books, they develop critical thinking. Actually, in regular textbooks, so there will be concepts. They will learn the concepts. So after learning the concepts, when they open our book, they need to apply the concepts. They need to apply the knowledge, whatever they have learned in the textbook. While applying that knowledge, so their critical thinking, logical thinking, or analytical thinking, all these skills will be developed. So for that purpose, we have given so many levels of worksheets to test the knowledge of students in different ways. That is our main intention. And it will make the student practice for competitive exams. Any math, nation level math Olympiad or science Olympiad, for any outside state level, nation level or international level competitions. For that competitions, our books, they will act like practice books. That is our intention. And chapter wise practice they can do. Chapter wise exams they can attempt. While attempting the chapter wise exams, they can get motivated through self-assessment. So chapter wise, by attempting every exam, they will get some marks. They can test their knowledge. they can know their strength and they can know their identify their weakness. So like that, they will get self-motivated through continuous exams. So it is ideal for talent tests. So these books, they are ideal for any kind of outside talent search examinations. And it supports hybrid learning. So in our program, what we are doing means, so not only providing offline books, not only conducting offline exams, we do provide online exams also. So by attempting that online exams, students, they will get access to this hybrid learning. They can prepare in offline mode and they can prepare in online mode. So both will be fulfilled at a time. So that's why we are supporting hybrid learning. So next, so they will get early exposure to competitive spirit by attempting so many kinds of our exams or by attempting any kind of other Olympiad exam. They will get early exposure. So how is the competition? What will be the standard of the question paper? So like everything they will get full idea. They will get idea of all the competitive aspects. And it is also useful for teachers and parents. So for teachers also, our books, they help like a resource books. And even for parents also, those who are ambitious, those who want to make their child strong in concepts, those who want to make their child stand in global Olympiads. So for teachers and for parents, it will be very useful. So these are about the importance of Junior Olympiad Foundation course.